How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Pilot Patriot channel. As you can see today, we're having some upgrades done out here on our range. This range has served us well for a few years now, but it was time for an upgrade. We needed to make the berms taller. We needed to make everything wider so we had more room for activities. So today is the day. So for those of you that like heavy equipment, you may already follow the guy that's back here on this bulldozer behind me. This is Let's Dig 18 from the Let's Dig 18 YouTube channel. He does a lot of really cool videos. He does some grading, he builds ponds, he does everything. If it's heavy equipment, he does it. He takes his camera along for all of his jobs and videos the whole thing, explains what he's doing as he does it. So if you haven't checked out his channel yet, guys, make sure you get over and check out Let's Dig 18. I'll put a link to his channel down in the description below. As you can see, he's already about halfway done out here, guys. So we're gonna sit back and watch him work. But if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. So let's watch the Pilot Patriot range get an upgrade. All right, guys, my buddy Chris from Let's Dig 18 has finished up for the day, and man, it is looking good out here. He even went back and smoothed everything out, looking really good. He didn't get it quite finished up today because it was a little too wet out here, but it's already starting to dry out. He's supposed to be coming back next week to finish it up, bring the mini excavator out here and clean everything up, get those berms packed down nice and level. I'll tell y'all, it really pays to get somebody that knows what they're doing out here to do this stuff. All right, here's what we got going on right now. Brought that side berm up there to about 8 feet. It was about 4 feet before, so that's nice. I know it's hard to tell on the camera, but that back berm is probably about 11.5 feet right now. Extended this other side berm to the same length as the other. You still got to come back and get that cleaned up. It was just a little too wet to get that work done. And he said he thinks he's going to be able to add about another foot to the top here, which is going to be perfect, put us at right about 12 feet. That's what I was shooting for. And of course he's going to use the Mini X to get a little bit more of a steeper slope to it. And then down here in our bottom corner where that drain pipe is, got to fill in up here above that. Everything in this field drains down to this corner, so as long as we keep that drain pipe intact, everything should be good to go there. Ready to see the finished product. All right, guys, it is done, and I think it looks great. We could not be happier with the results. Chris from Let's Dig 18 did an amazing job out here, and I don't know if you guys have seen his video yet, but the way he works that excavator is just very impressive. So if you haven't seen that yet, guys, I will put a link to his videos down in the description below. So basically what we ended up doing, guys, instead of bringing dirt in to build these berms up, what he did was he brought the bulldozer out here and he basically scraped dirt off the top of the field and pushed it down here towards the berms to build that up. We ended up at about 8 foot tall and 55 foot wide on the sides, and 12 foot tall and 65 foot wide on the back, which is a major improvement. It's exactly what we wanted, and it's gonna work out great for us. Now, we have had a lot of really wet weather lately, so I'm gonna have to come out here with the box blade just to smooth it out a little bit more before I put grass seed down out here. And because we did have a big rain last night, it's still a little bit wet. So I'm not gonna do too much shooting here today, but I did set up a few targets. So I'm gonna get out here and shoot just a little bit. Again, I just wanna thank Chris from Let's Dig 18 for all his hard work. Don't forget to go visit the Let's Dig 18 YouTube channel. And if you wanna see more of our videos, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a big old thumbs up. We really appreciate that. And don't forget, you can support the channel by visiting Pilot Patriot Apparel. Get yourself some really cool patriotic and Second Amendment t-shirts. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.